Hello, YouTube. Welcome. Today we're working on Elixir to control Neovim. We'll see what happens. Someone said Elixir? Indeed. How did I get here? Here, chat. We'll start it up again. Let's see if this works. Random color scheme, go. Boom, bom, beam, buddy, bom, bom. I like your shirt. Thanks, Soodle. We're killing it. Ah! Stop with the pink panic! We may have to cancel Pink Panic, chat. Oh, thanks, Mark. Oh, sorbet. This one's pretty. I kind of like that one. You know? Pink Panic. I wore the shirt in honor of Pink Panic today because we're about to kill it. We're about to kill it with fire. One JavaScript away for no. We're an Elixir Andy now. Don't worry, we're an Elixir Andy. I picked up Starbucks for my wife. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Notepad. That's a little tough. Sorbet. Yeah. I did. I surprised her, chat. That's a good thing that you can do. Is even if you've been Mountain Dew, now we're talking. I will be picking up a MacBook for my wife. No, she's on a Chrome. She's living that Chromebook life. I'll check out Gleam later. You wouldn't understand, chat. What up, Andre? Damn. Oh, skill issue. Anyways, who need wife anyways? That's not a valid color scheme. Sorry to break it to you. Okay, so I had a few. Oh, someone just enabled flashlight mode. There you go. Here's flashlight mode, chat. And GitHub colorblind. We're gonna be blind after this one. They should normally turn off. It was just an error. Zen mode ultra. I think it was because I was in telescope when it got enabled. Kind of go with Lotus. Okay. Okay. Okay, so Pink Panic. Envim. GitHub. Okay, we're actually gonna have to turn it off if we can't get, like, why doesn't this work, chat? Like, why doesn't it look like this for me? I can't read anything when we see Pink Panic. It's okay if you can read it, but we can't read it. We need to, like, change the background color to black. He was in chat yesterday. What's up, Temporary? I'm doing great. What was I gonna... Oh, right. I remember the first thing that I was gonna do. Well, okay, the very first thing we should do is we should make it so that we can turn... Terminating cause test case cause error. Oh, we're making this fail every time that we have this. Oh, it is an unhandled exception. So this must be where we say, like, Visa, flat. What did call it? Random. We need to add this too. Nothing. Because that's causing this to crash. Nightshade timed out, try riding. Good call. Hey, Co, welcome. Can't even see the colon in my Python class. True. Well, we're writing Elixir, my Elixir right now, chats. Oh, hey, thanks. Why are you so elegant today? Just pick this. It's comfy. It's a comfy shirt. Elixir. Those ligatures. JetBrains Mono. It's the Pink Panic outfit. I'm making all of you guys Pink Panic with this. Shoot, what was I gonna do? Oh, right, okay. We need to figure out, I don't know if, oh, did Shirai message me last night? Okay, he didn't, but did he work on Hello Stream? Hello Stream. There we go, this one. Berkeley Mono. Wait, did I say, which one did I say? I'm using Berkeley Mono. Did I say JetBrains Mono? Using Clash of Clans potion? Boom, ba, boom, boom, ba, doom, ba, doom. I think I said the wrong one. I said JetBrains. Sorry, old habits die hard, chat. I haven't finished my coffee yet this morning. What can I say? Okay. We need to figure out how to... Alright, let's close a bunch of these. Yeah, we already have the important one for that one. I already know this one now. I got rid of those. Yeah, okay, I know how to do this now. We did the channels. That was easy peasy. Okay, so we need to go Twitch API. You drink Starbucks? Not regularly, but I picked some up for my wife today. You wouldn't understand. Surprised her, chat. Events, skill issue. I mean, it's fine. Ooh, baby, what's up, Shy Rhyme? All right, we need to, how do we do redemption? Channel point redemption update. Yeah, do you want to receive channel points for update notifications for channel poll begin condition, channel poll progress? How do I turn it off? What is this? Can I even do this with event sub? I don't run Sway. No. Because event sub, can I even send messages back? Thinking about this, do I need to use something? I have to use the Twitch API for this then, huh? Or no? I have to use Twitch API. Starbucks and a button-down shirt. Full TGDV. You have to use the API. Nice. Excellent. Another thing we can add to the mix. Excellent. I was just thinking, all right, we have RC, IRC, we have event sub. Maybe now we should probably just add one more thing. How do I do this then? Twitch API. Shoot, so I have to log in again to something else? You're Dutch? By heritage, yes. Do I have to get another token? Update redemption status. No, that's not what I want. I want to disable a redemption. How do I do? I think you can say one. Okay, that'd be good. Do you have to use an actual IRC? No, they have an event sub thing for it now. My scopes are all read. Ooh. Where is reward? Like, how can I, where is my set a reward? I don't want to get a reward. I want to change a reward. I want to turn it off and I want to turn it on. reward. Create reward. Create a reward. Okay, it's got to be next to this one, right? For creating drops, can use reward manager set rewards. No, I don't think this is it. This is the wrong thing. Redemption. Can't I set this? How do I set this with the API? Was the Twitch API written in Elixir? I wish. I have no idea, honestly. These are called custom rewards. Custom reward. Delete custom reward. Create. Update. There we go. Now we're talking. It's not... how did we not say this? Okay. Docs aren't organized in the same way, so you have to search. True. How'd it go yesterday? It went awesome yesterday. Watch this. Random color scheme. Go. Did I turn? I'm in the wrong one. Sorry. Let me go back. I'm in the wrong Neovim. This one wasn't connected. Go. I didn't connect to the new one. Okay. It's going really awesome. There we go. Go. Nice. I got there eventually. That's why we need to cheat. That's why we need to do this next thing. That's why we need to do this next thing here. Random color scheme. Boom. First try. Top of the morning. What up, Dodo? It shouldn't be called Invisalign anymore. It should be called Fog of War. I don't think I have Invisalign anywhere in here, right? Oh, I do. I just haven't oh, Invisalign is the reverse one, but I haven't turned it on yet. It makes this line invisible. Whatever line my cursor's on. I don't think I enabled that one yet, did I? No, I don't have it. I don't have a reward for it. Okay, what we need to do, chat, so that people don't get skamazed here, is we need to make it so that we can turn on and turn off rewards. I need to get a new scope. I need to get a new scope that includes this. OAuth. OAuth. Nothing like some good OAuth in the morning. That makes you feel alive. So Fog of War made someone's blood pressure rise. Patch. Holy cow. Twitch API actually uses REST like verbs? Why? The one thing they do good, they're gonna pick REST verbs? No. I can't believe it. I can't believe it, chat. That's truly unbelievable. If it works, it works. That has not been Twitch's API strategy up until now. Their current strategy has been, if it's not completely busted, we're going to leave it in the docs. Okay. Patch and put, just like in the good old days when Rails. Yeah, this is crazy. I'm so surprised. Broadcaster ID and ID. Just a few scopes, not too many. Exactly. We just have a few scopes. Oh my goodness. Thanks for scrolling when I zoom out. Okay, so we do this and then with a body of, okay, nice. And then we get some response back. Okay. Helix D's nuts. What? Path and, oh yeah. Why Elixir? My question to you would be, why not Elixir? But I'm thinking of rewriting in Scala today just to trigger Ryan. We'll just really get him tilted. Oh, because of OCaml? Yeah, but Scala mentioned, let's go! Scala, why not Clojure? Too reasonable. Too reasonable. Why not Haskell? I'm not trying to publish a paper, chat. This is an educational stream. Oh, nice. This is from literally 1 minute ago. Nice. Thanks, Ryan. Why not VS Code? Okay, so... Oh, so I already have a client, right? We can do Gleam, but we're not going to. How do I update this then, Shy Rhyme? Do I have to do mix deps.git and it should update because I did a git repo? Deps.git help. That didn't do anything. Mix help deps.git. Oh, well, I didn't do it with a package version, Shirai. I did it with a git. I did this because I was thinking this would be smart. We can just ask ChatGPT though. Tell me this very tersely. Don't say a lot. Say less. How do I force an update to a Git dependency with mix in Elixir? Nice. Thank you. Finally a good answer. Mix deps.update. What up, End? What's up, buddy? Hey, thanks. Thanks for the gifties. Appreciate it. Look at this, Shirai. I got it. The timing was so good on the song too. The Clash Royale. Chat, it's not on right now. Okay, you gotta. Don't redeem anything. Do it one more time. Nice. Let me just double check. Let me check the Git log here. Just need to make sure Shirai didn't just put in. Wait, what? Is not this one? Wait, which one did you update, Shirai? Twitch API. Oh, Twitch API, not Twitch event sub. Wrong one. Wrong one. Bum, bam, bam. I don't even think I need the .git, right? I'm just getting kind of triggered that it's on multiple lines. I'm not gonna lie. The river. How's Elixir so far? Came here from the news. Just wait till you see OCaml. That's funny. This dress shirt, it must be serious business. Oh, it's serious business. What's up, Caleb? Hey, thanks for the sub. 2-month streak. Your audio is way ahead of you. Try refreshing the page. ChatGPT. I guess we just need to always start with, tell me this very tersely, don't say a lot, say less. Can I add this to my system prompt? How would it be used to control NeoVim? Funny you should ask. Why don't I, instead of telling you, how don't I just show you? Did it fail? Fix file client. It failed. That's because this isn't ready. No! Could not find app file. Another thing was already called Twitch API. Dang it, Ryan, it's broken now. Why is it broken? Unchecked dependencies for dev environment. Could not find app file. Another app in the same dir. Shirai! You do Control Shift Alt I to set custom prompts. Oh really? Control Shift. I'm gonna try it. I'm not sure I believe you. Oh, Control Shift I. Oh, nice. I came here as soon as I could, just in case you finished early, because Brazilian superior. Well, we did get very far, Rodrigo. Wait, do I need to update depths again? Mix depths update. Twitch API. Mix depths.update. Twitch event sub. Okay. All right. So now, maybe now it's going to work. Shirai, what is this? Hello Twitch API and just hello Twitch. What is this? Can pass app false as an option. Do I need to do this in my mix? Mix depths update all. Nice shirt. Hey, thank you. Yeah. Well, I was gonna show you what I'm supposed to do. I'm going cowboy here. What did I do? I don't know. It just says this. It says I have Twitch API here. Could not find an app file. Another file was in the same directory. Build, dev, lib, Twitch API, ebin. Here, I'll scroll up a little. Oops. Same directory. Try changing the dependency name to hello Twitch API. Do I have to call this hello Twitch API? Like this? Is that what you call it? Okay. rm-rf build. I always run whatever rm-rf things people tell me to run in chat. So that seems fine. I'm sure it's safe to run rm-rf. Yep. I run every single time. I run that one too. Yep. Unchecked dependencies. Still the same thing. App false. Should I try this? Should I just call it this? Mix depths.get. Got it. That makes sense. Hello Twitch API. Mix is overriding a child dependency. Oh, I see. It's because I'm requesting this like manually. Ensure they match and set override true. Okay. Okay, nice. We're in, chat. Control the caps lock. Lots of people do that, yeah. Should have not added as a dependency. I should add it as a dependency, though, because it is a dependency. All right, so whoever asked a long time ago, how are we going to control NeoVim? Boom, we click redeem random color scheme, we get a random color scheme. Like that, chat. That's how we're controlling NeoVim, and we're going to do much more. Nice. Delic. That's an interesting one. That's quite bright. So can we see Fog of War? Sure. Fog of War. Redeem. Fog of War looks like this. New. Next. 4. Local. Right, and it lasts for this long, and then when it times out, it's all done. Random color scheme next. Yeah, that makes sense, Shirai. Hello, I hope you didn't forget me. I did not, Razo. Welcome. No, Dan, it shouldn't. But maybe it will. Create new discos from 2 cents turn everything at once. No. Is there a list of color schemes? No, you just have to know them all. Can we control font? You will be able to, yes. Chat, okay, but now I'm going to stop for a little bit. Okay, so don't redeem anything. That's what we're going to add next. Because what we need to do is we need to be able to enable and disable these easily. Oh, something's crashing. What's crashing? Key error, duration seconds. What is this? Why is it crashing here? How can I know what the Twitch event's up terminating? I don't know what that means. But it's making it crash. So redeem everything. I mean, if you want to waste your points, you can. I don't think that's me, right? I'm not doing anything with duration seconds. That must be something from Shirai. Custom ad break event. Got it. Okay. I'll fix it. Okay. Something. Nice. Okay, so... Right. So what I wanted to check was I wanted to see if I have any NeoVim clients connected. So I need to go to my NeoVim channel here. Is there a join? Is there a leave as well? Phoenix channels. In this economy, move fast and break things and then let them crash. Yeah, I remember that, Shirai. Is there an event for when when someone leaves? What up, Ryan? Welcome. No, is it possible, or is there something deeper going on with Elixir? I don't know what you mean, like a conspiracy theory? No, there's none. There's nothing deeper going on. There's nothing at all. There's nothing going on. I don't know why you would even ask that. I just see you later, Dr. Butcher. Just, yep. All right. Nothing to see here. No, I'm just kidding. What am I? I'm building something. I don't know what to tell you. Big Elixir's gotten to me. Oh, that must be someone else, because I just have a keyboard where I can press things on my thumb. Building Elixir? Okay, is there like a leave? Is there exit? Is there... How do I unjoin? Left. Removed. Exit. Timeout. And then you chose establish control until the time default is 5 seconds. Client won't persist messages in local browser storage. Okay, so does this handle... Where do they handle... Some might say Jippity is good for this. Yeah, but I don't know. I don't even know what I want to ask, I guess. I guess we can try. Is there an event for when a client leaves a Phoenix channel? So take for someone once getting functionality and a bunch of features. What? There's literally no way that I could tell you from one answer. Did Butcher leave? Did Butcher think I actually... Butcher, I didn't actually ban you. I just deleted your messages as part of a joke. Terminate in your channel module? Logger. I think you left. I know. Dr. Butcher, are you still here? I was just kidding. Okay, no. I just changed your demon, so I do great stuff. I love watching now. I was wondering what are you up to? Yeah, okay. Oh, nice. You're still here. Yeah, we're building something for stream. Why not use Flow GPT? I don't know what that is, chat. I'm too much of a boomer. Do you use such a large font zoom level just for stream? Yes, I use it just for stream. I prefer much smaller font, but it's okay. True, Crimson. Can someone explain to me why after a year of watching we became anti-walnut? Sorry, Sam, it's just you've got no brain. Require module inside of here like this? Why in here instead of at the top? Four brain not found exactly. Alright, so let's say I start this and I connect. We should see it connected, and then I quit. Do it terminate. Aha! Nice. Convention, you can also have more than one module in the same file or a module inside another module. Yeah, I know. I know that I can have more. I just didn't know why I would put require logger in here instead of at the top. Elixir! No, nice picture. That makes sense. I'm using Lexical. Wait, how can I do, isn't there, what's the easiest way to specify a default? I want to add that I have another connection, basically. How can I want to basically say socket is assign socket, like, count or something. How do I make it be more, how do I start it at 0 and add 1 with socket? What's the easiest way? I'm wearing headphones. What did I do? Something loud? What did I do? See you, Nightshade. You came in loud? I came in loud? I don't know. Sorry. I think this might only be for the current process. Oh. RJs, I don't know. They work okay for me. So how would I then know how many... Socket handler. Possibly control the website connection. Assigned values can be accessed by your channel sockets. Socket params are passed from client and can be used to verify and authenticate a user. Error term. See Phoenix token. Yeah, no, that's what I was looking at. Socket IDs allow you to identify all sockets for a given user. Would allow you to broadcast a disconnect event and terminate all active sockets and channels for a given user. It's been fun so far, Samia. These stream titles are getting more and more unhinged. That's streamer life for you. How can I find out how many connections are in a Phoenix channel? I picked something that I hadn't written before that seemed like it would be good for this. Phoenix is, I think, good for this. I don't use channels press much ever. Okay. Pub sub stats. Your app include number of subscribers. Ensure your pub sub matches your app's configured pub sub module. Okay, I mean, we can try this, right? Yeah. Say less. Maybe it says inside here. The presence guide? Okay, we can look up presence again. Yeah, Shira, you sent me this yesterday. Oh, we didn't quite get that far. Present topic and replicate it transparently across a cluster. Okay, I guess that's what we would want then. We already did this. You'll need to generate a presence module. Okay. I'm in. I'll run it. It is a continue. Yep, we're gonna keep working on what we started yesterday. Okay. Okay, so I need to add Mixery web presence. So we go to application here, and we should have Mixery. Whoops. Mixery web.presence. I use NeoTree in Kickstarter, or was that just one step too much of an ID? Why would I use NeoTree? Like, why would we put it in? What up, Pointer? Maybe started before the endpoint? Okay. Okay, you're all set. If you open up, then you'll see the following lines. Yep, this sets up the module for presence to find the functions require. Yup. Yup. User channels and JavaScript. Oh no. Cool, your friends aren't arborists. Tried Helix today, so we're tracking you in. Oh, nice. Well, I think Helix is cool. Join, room lobby, send self after join. That will communicate presence over. After a user join, we can push list of presences down the channel. Also provide a map of informational track. That module, hello room channel, use Phoenix channel, alias hello web. Okay. So I go back to my channel, which is my NeoVim channel here, right? And we're going to do alias Mixery web presence. Okay. And then send self after join. Presence.track. Okay. a lot going on that one. Check module docs for more details. Yeah, I will. Probably start it after pub sub. Okay, we can go here. That's fine. Shouldn't I start it after? Oh, I guess, yeah. Many things are inbuilt to like telescope. Yeah, it's very cool. No tree needed in any of them. We already have net RW. Yeah, and usually you just don't really need a tree. Fine, I'll join. I heard we're doing Elixir. We sure are, chat. No trees. Can we stop the tree hate? No, we can't. We must keep going. So we use name later, but we probably don't want to. I don't know. I guess when we connect to NeoVim, we could send. Where's Phoenix join? We could say something like name. There's some name function, right, where we can get, or like we could get like the PID or something like that. Yeah, we could just do this probably. vim.uv.process get PID, right? vim.uv.process. Whoops. Oh no, this is not the current PID. I see. Get PID. Okay, so that should get us some unique one, which is good. So then we will have a name. Name. Right, so we need to assign a name here. We haven't done anything with the payload so far, so that's fine. And then they did this. I forgot. It's right. What up, Alberto? Have been listening to Direct and Park Adventure. Nice. Yeah, it's a good song. It's difficult for me to remember where the files are if there's no tree. I guess. We only sit on the trees. Exactly. Change your name once in a day, no matter how many make you a hardcore Vimmer. I don't know. Honestly, I don't really change my NeoVim config that often anymore. I mean, except for this thing where we're gonna rewrite the entire thing, you know? But, like, besides that, I'm saying. Send self after join. Handle info after join. Does this happen at the end or something? It seems weird. Push, socket, present state. Finally, we can use the client type. Present if they come down the socket. Listens, present state, present diff. Provide simple callback. Wait, I don't think that this does anything for me, Shirai. Oh, maybe it does. Because I can do this instead on... I should be able to get these presents things for the channel in initial present name of the user as part of the URL. User ID, socket's name, user from live view. I don't want to use it from live view. Oh, nice muscles. Very cool. I want on the back end side to know about how many users I have. currently. So like I want in Phoenix, I want to know how many people have joined this library. Or in like, not necessarily in Phoenix, in Elixir. Spending all morning on analysis on old internal public libraries. Possible for a headache to be fun? Yes. Yeah, you can make it fun. We do an IPC with Elixir and Teejcoin, among other things, yeah. Presence gives you the list. How do I get the list then? That's what I don't get how to, where do I... Presence.list? Okay. Alright, so let's say we do this. I should be able to connect here. Table identifier doesn't exist to an ETS table. Do I need to run, did I get a new migration from this or something? Oh, whoops. Oh, yeah, sorry, you're right. Yeah. Thanks. First argument, table does not refer to an existing ETS table. Presence 532, NeoVim channels 35. Topic's wrong. Is it not NeoVim lobby? Where's Presence track? I probably don't have it yet. Okay, so I didn't finish doing the rest of this. I thought that I was done. Send self, assign here, handle info, presence track. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Presence track. This one here. So this key. This should be NeoVim lobby. Like this. I guess. I still don't really get it. Like socket assigned name. Oh, this is the lobby in the room. Okay, errors are found. The table identifier does not exist on 35 still. 35. Presence list. Oh, oh, this is on the socket. How do I get the socket in here? How do I get the socket from terminate? It's arg1. This is socket. Okay. Socket. Dang it! Dang, I got so bad there. I'm just gonna quit this completely. And just make sure that, because we did add a new event, so just in case, we'll restart it completely. Just because that seems like a good plan. Halo does not. Nice. Nice. Okay. So now when I quit, we get terminate and presence. Neovim lobby. This tells us when I was last online at. It's kind of weird that it lied about the length of this, though. Oh, maybe it just got confused in the last one. All right, so now what happens if I quit this? Do we have 2 of them here? Presence, Neovim lobby. So this is the one that was just leaving. All right, so let's go here, and then we'll open up another one, and then we'll see if we have 2 connect. So we have 2 of these joined for sure, right? If we do random color scheme, we should see. Oh, this one had an error again. Okay, so both of them are getting random color schemes. Nice. Okay, so that's good. Now what happens when I leave this one? We should get a terminate, and we have 2. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. So this is telling me that I have 2 people connected here. It's full of drama these days. Oh, yeah? That's okay. You can come hang out here. No drama. That's okay. Okay. Unless you're talking about Prime. Lots of drama with Prime. When this terminates, can I do anything inside of the Dramagen? True. No, I wanted to do Phoenix Presence. Phoenix provides tracking to process and channels. Provides features such as fetching presence. Using this module defines a supervisor module, then was Phoenix Tracker. So yeah, he's drama. Plus he steals things from you. He stole your mouse pad. Chat, we don't need to do the Theo drama, Dark Viper drama. Just skip it or talk about it in DMs, okay? In case you want to know a subset of the... I don't know who Dark Viper is besides that he and Theo had a fight. I don't care. It can be... It's not... It's... Yeah, we're just not going to talk about it. I don't... You know... This is why Prime gets minus 10,000 Teejcoins. Exactly right. It's wild that tech influencer drama exists. It's not wild at all. Literally, people have drama. You can find any group of people, and by their very nature, they will have drama. Like, what you should be surprised about is that there exists places where you cannot have drama. Is Prime in the middle of the drama? I don't think so. I was just memeing about Prime. Why are we using Elixir, not OCaml? Sam? We already talked about this morning. I literally had breakfast with you. But Sam, the main reason is because I didn't have a good database solution in OCaml without spending a lot of time writing a database solution. It's wild that tech influencers are humor. Exactly. What's up, Lazarus? I've never seen drama in our industry, especially not... Yeah, exactly. There's never been drama before. Okay, so we already did this, and then now we have tracking for this. Finally, a diff of presence, join, and leave events will be sent to the client as they happen in real time with the presence diff event. The structure will be in maps of joins and leaves of the form. Oh, I don't want to send these to the clients. It's just a little complicated. The whole situation is a little bit complicated because there exists some fine database solutions, but then they weren't built on top of Riot, and then I wanted to build on top of, so it's mostly just like the problem is sort of like tangential to there being a solution generally in OCaml to being a solution to the one that I was trying to do, if that makes sense. But my guess is also, I don't know. I mean, so basically, are we taking control of Neovim via Elixir via controlling Elixir via Neovim? We're doing both in a way. True, the Rust Foundation. You look tired. Oh, thanks. What's Riot again? It's it's basically like trying to make OCaml do Elixir shenanigans. What do we do exactly? Exactly, Dan. You got it. I mean, Go is born because Rob Pike has had C++. Go is literally the result of drama. Lots of really great things have been made as the result of drama. What's up, Krachik? Can I not send these? I don't want to push. I don't actually care about these presence diff events. Yeah, Shy, right. I'm thinking all I want to do is I just say when someone connects and when someone disconnects, and I only want to do that on my side. So I just make a new server, right? And then I send a message to it. Right? Spite-driven development, it's a thing. It's definitely a thing. I don't know how to do that though yet, Shirai. Phoenix has done everything. I learned Phoenix before I learned Elixir. Can't help myself. Sorry. Yeah, but I'm saying I don't know where to start one. Do I go to my application and I just make a new one? So I, instead of doing presence, I do like connection tracker or something like this. And then I go to my presence one and I can just delete this. I don't want you anymore. And I say connection tracker. I make a new def module and I do def start or something like this. I don't know. Is this what I do? I'm just following the AI now. Keckle. Dot now. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Use gen server. Nice. Thanks, Cody. There's AI these days on YouTube. AI is that. Just declare 2020 the year of AI. Both years. It's 1 year. That sounds like the kind of error it would make. Okay, Kikos. I think I just don't need presence. Like, it's just more than what I want. All I want to do is I just want to know when someone... And I can do this. I can just do join and terminate. You can use gen server, but you only want to track number of users. Got gifted a sub. Nice. Nice. Def bubble sort. Do. Ryan always is just sending me his own code. He's like, hey, do you want to see perfect Elixir code? By the way, I wrote it. Yeah. Yep, I wrote this. Like imagine only sending people your own code as examples. Salt my hammies, dude. Drew, but if the shoe fits. If the shoe fits, chat. Okay, we'll just copy everything here. Start link. Connection tracker. We don't need either of these. Neither of those are things we need. I don't think I need this. Put ignored args. Like this. Just like this. Start supervised. Boom. Kill it. Boom. Kill it. Boom. Kill it. Init. State. Users 0. Count 0. Bow, 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 bow. We should say connections. That's a better name. Keep their PIDs. I think agent would be simpler, but I guess you can go to Gen server. I can. And I will! Near, okay? I can learn it. Leave the Hollywood alone. Chat, honestly, we're going to all be better off. We're going to all be better off if Hollywood is AI generated. Okay? Don't even worry about it. Must require logger. You're going to be just fine. All the people who still want to make great movies can make movies, and all the other ones can be made cheaper, so you can go to the movie theater more often if you want. I'm doing great, Josh. Godzilla vs. King Kong actually looks kind of fun. No, it looks fun. It looks fun, chat. It looks like it knows exactly what it was trying to be. Okay? Movies can be good, but not be like, they don't have to be deep or like something else, right? Godzilla vs. Kong was pretty boring. I don't think I watched that one. Remember the King Kong movie with Jack Black? I don't know if I ever saw that one. Handle cast. If we're paused, we'll add it to. Do I need to? Wait, what? Ryan, what was the one that I needed? Start link init and handle info. Handle it. Handle cast. Handle cast. Handle info. So I need to add something like def add connection. Come on, Cody. Like this? What the heck is this? Why is it suggesting this to me? And then now I go to handle cast. We'll just let the AI do it. I'm fine. You'd like it? Okay. Film stars Andy Serkis, Naomi Watts, Jack Black, and Andy. Dang, that's a cast. Cody, take the wheel. What am I doing here? What am I doing when I do this, Shirai? Reading this in 6 months will be fun. Bassie, we don't do that here. You think we're going to be on the same project in 6 months? I'm sending it a process message. I'm going to just be sending more tweets about Prime. Okay? That's what we'll be doing. And then handling it. So handle cast is... Why like cast versus info? Async for the win. Okay. You gotta write concurrent code like it's synchronous. Oh, okay, cool. Nice. Prognosis when the rewrite will start. Want to be hopefully next week. In my company at a meeting, the VP said that all employees must learn about how generative AI works, whether they hate it or not. Learn how it works? Seems kind of weird. Okay, so now I do this. Okay, so I say this. So now I do this, Shira. I want to do something when I don't have anything left in my list. Okay, I want to send out a pub sub message. Is this a good place to do that, or is there some other place I should be doing that? Okay, so I can just go. Does language have punning or no? Can I go like this? It doesn't work, right? Oh, do I do case? Phoenix. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Oh, I already made this. Mixery.broadcast topic. I don't know. What did I call this again? I forgot what I did. I called broadcast. So we could do something like NeoVim connections or something like this. And then actually, you know what we should do is we should just do this every time. List length. Do you have length? How do I get the length of a list? I just will always broadcast the size. What? Well, I instead I want to say it's O event. Yeah, but it'll be 0 to 5 of them. So what I want to do is something simple to teach it. Just write some code instead of letting Gen AI generate. I just did generate some. Today's person in the software engineering career. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Oh, you always want the count. Yeah. I'll just send the count. I'll just send the count of how many NeoVim connections we have, right? So we'll just do something like this, like really track count in the state, but list is so small. Yeah. We're not gonna. You can just okay. We'll just do connection. Maybe I should just do this. Maybe I'll just send connections. Connections. Maybe we'll just do this instead. Like this, and then I'll match on it later. Like this, right? Stand-up is over, and we're so back. Broadcasting tuples up till now. Yeah, so. But that was on the NeoVim one. This is like for This is for NeoVim connections. I don't care. We'll figure it out later. I'll determine my style later. Inconsistency. Have you been around on this stream, Shirai? I have style. Yeah, several people have said my shirt looks great today, Dan. Okay, several people, including my wife. So now what? Huh? Now what? Quite daper. It's like you didn't even read my Discord message from yesterday. No, I didn't. Now I will. Dan, it's a good timing. That's funny, Dan. I didn't read your message yet. Oh my goodness, that's funny. I did. Yep. Classic timing. Oh, that's goody. That's so good. That's so good, man. Oh, shoot. Well. Okay, yeah, you're right. We can do this. We can do this instead, though. You know what, Dan? I don't have anything to say. Oh, man. Walked myself right into that one, chat. If you knew, then you would know. Okay. It's okay. I'm still gonna... Why the shirt? I just put it on. That was all. Do you have a link with your NeoVim Westrum config? Kind of, but it's about to change a lot. What's up, Joshua? Okay, so now I go back to my channel here, and then instead of doing all this present stuff, which was confusing, I don't have to do this anymore. Presence. We can just say, I don't have to write this either. I can just say something like, no, I got this. Mixery web.connection tracker.add connection self. Yeah, I think we can probably drop the name. I'll keep it for now, but it's probably fine. We'll just delete it. Yeah. Cody is killing it actually right now, unironically, which is kind of funny. Alright, so then when I go to terminate, I need to do remove connection, PID. What else are you on? Pop. It's classic. Soda OS. I did have some soda yesterday. Am I not logging this at all? Adding connection. Where am I writing adding connection? Oh, I need to restart this whole thing because we added a new service. I keep forgetting that when it recompiles, it's not like a proper recompile. It doesn't restart everything completely. Right? Adding connection. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at this. So now we've got two connections. Nice. Look at this. We got two separate connections. I know this is bad. I know this is bad. Oh, this wouldn't even work anyways. That's fine. I'd actually need to, we don't need to print that right now. Because what we can do instead, Phoenix had watch thingy. It does, but it doesn't restart all the services, I don't think. Either way, it doesn't happen often. Basically, it only happens when I change something in application when I make new children here. I don't know. I'd figure it out later. Probably something in here I can do. I don't really know. Okay. So now I have connection tracker. So what do I want to do now? What I want to do is dance. No, that wasn't what I wanted to do. Well, I do, but like it's unrelated to what we're trying to solve. Now I'm a little distracted. What was I gonna do before? Probable fix for the delayed events. Is there delayed? Oh, for the ad thingy. I just got here. Elixir mention. So what we so I'm thinking. What we need to do is we need to turn on and turn off different. We need to turn off the things when connection tracker is 0. We need to turn it on when we get more than 1. Ooh, let's go. Thanks, Shirai. Just don't dance like David. David who? David D's what? Carpenter. Got it. I haven't seen him dance yet. Oh, those are some sweet moves. Holy cow. And David. Oh, good reference. I think it would go against TOS, is my understanding. What is NeoVim? In some ways, I think a better question might be, what isn't NeoVim? That might be better. You know? Tech phones? Hey, thank you. Poetry. Okay, so what I need to do now, Twitch. Okay, so Twitch event sub. I need to put this in the API. So I need something like a Twitch API. Mixery.twitch API. I don't know, something like this, right? And we can do a bunch of the same ones from this. So how does this Twitch event sub thingy work? Because we need to basically do the same strat here to get these. I have to do a bunch of things to get out all the API keys and everything. Tis but a canvas. But by the way, Blob Dylan is a hilarious name. And NeoVim is this, the text editor we're using. If mayonnaise NVim isn't a plugin, I'm definitely gonna make it a plugin. Nice. Nerds enjoying overly versatile, ingenious magic. True. So I want to basically do the same thing that Shirai did here. Should I just copy this whole start link? Because Shirai, I need to get the same API, right? That's basically where I'm at, is I need to get the same OAuth token. Is that all I need, do you think? Access token. Application fetch end. Okay, we can just get the exact same ones that we want from here, right? And then I'll just yoink this whole thing. Mixery.twitch API. I don't know. Handler. I don't know what to call it. We'll just call it something like this. Twitch API handler. Mixery, Twitch API handler. Okay. We're doing this one. This one is gonna list. This is the one that I'm gonna use to talk with. Where did you send me this? This Twitch API here. This, I'm gonna get a client. I don't know. Do I get a client from this? I need to use that. This is the one that's gonna turn on and off rewards. So it's going to subscribe to the NeoVim connections. And then when I get 0, it's going to turn off the rewards. And if I have greater than 0, it's going to turn on the rewards. Or if they're already on, then we're not going to do anything. And so it's going to connect to basically all the same stuff. Handler, the module that implements Twitch event sub. I don't have to do this though. I'm not going to do this. I don't care about that. Don't need to do that. I don't think I need to do that. Broadcaster, we're using cat. Keep alive timeout. Start. I removed this one. Subscriptions, we don't need this one. URL, I don't need this one. I don't think I need keep alive either. Because there's no keep alive. Well, let's actually do this. Okay, so we don't need this one either. User ID, client ID, access token, handler, channel IDs. No, we don't need channel IDs either because it's not going to do anything with those. Client ID, access token, Twitch API auth new. Sure, this seems fine. Oh, this is the same one. Nice. Another day of unemployment. Oh, baby. We can have client ID, access token, auth. Oh, nice. I can just say auth. Okay, then how do I get one of these guys? I want a new client here, which takes an auth. Oh, I don't need that. I just want to do get every time, basically. So I should have Twitch API.get with this, basically, right? Right. I can just do get, post, and patch. Ooh. So just for example, I can do Twitch API.patch. This is not right, obviously, but like this kind of idea here. How's everyone doing today? Oh, doing great. I gotta figure out the exact name of Groovebox on your setup. It's Groove Buddy. It's not gonna work, chat. I don't have it on right now. Get post and get Teej. Exactly. Just need the path. Yep. Yeah. I'm with you. I was just sort of Twitch API. Whoops. Twitch API dot patch auth. So just be auth, and then this, and then something here, like this, and then I'll get some response. Yeah. Okay, I have to pee. Wow. Hey. Fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead, give it a smash. You know, wow, the like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks, everybody. See ya.